how to use DoorDash DashPass on every order. So first of all, let's open our application, and then from here what you're going to do is select a particular item from a restaurant. So let's go in with some pizzas right here. I'm going to tap on that one and select one of the restaurant, let's say this particular one. Then I'm going to add it to my cart. So what I'm going to do is select one of their items just like this, and then add to order. So I have added this to my cart. Now I'm going to view my cart. Then from here tap on continue, and what you're going to do is now select your payment method. So I'm going to go with my credit or debit card. Then from here what you're going to do is add in all of the details of your cards and tap on save, and like that your card will be saved to DoorDash. And after that you'll get to the checkout option where you will get all of your subtotals. So in there you'll be getting the option of deals or coupons. So all you need to do is tap on that, and you'll need to add in your DashPass code in there, and then it will be the discount will be added, and you will be getting discount on your subtotal, and like that you'll be able to use your DoorDash DashPass to save on every order, and that's it.